Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. Welcome back to my another video. Today I'll show you a crochet dress. This dress for me and it's really beautiful, a pretty dress. This dress made by Jayada Akhtar's sister. She did very good jobs. I'm really happy. I like her handiwork. You can see she did it very nicely. This dress is really pretty and the color is really nice. It's purple and sweet pink. There are so many flowers and this is very nice too, and full sleeve because I like full sleeve and long dress always. If you know how to do crochet, you can make it. I just show you the design and everything so you can make it very easily.